Trending drinks that people love. Summertime, you need a lot more hydration because you're generally more active and it's hot. These drinks are trending right now and will be in fashion this summer. We bet for a lot longer than that too. Juice. Freshly squeezed juice will probably never be out of fashion now that it's out there. Nothing tastes more refreshing than freshly squeezed carrot, apple, and cucumber. It'll cool you down and hydrate you, while also providing essential vitamins and minerals to keep you healthy and energetic. Zero-waste beverages. Many places are now offering minimal waste drinkware and reusable straws. Plus, they're trying to source ingredients locally instead of wasting carbon fuel to get the ingredients to them. These new zero-waste beverages with recyclable packaging, plus the availability of more environmentally friendly tools to enjoy the drinks, are a win-win for everyone. Low and zero-proof cocktails. Many millennials don't like to consume as much alcohol as people used to consume, but they do like being out and social, and enjoying good beverages anyway. Bars and stores are offering low and zero-proof choices in every category, from beer to wine, and more. Euphoric drinks. You're going to start hearing more about these types of drinks as more people try to get away from alcohol. These drinks promise to provide a mood lift without the bad side effects of alcohol. Euphoric drinks are supposed to up your serotonin levels and help you feel good. One of the first ones is Kin and can be found here. https://www.kineuphorics.com/infused drinks. This is a new class of drink and can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. They also come in low-proof options. Usually, they're infused with lavender and other essential oils, or some form of vitamin or mineral like B12. For example, some now come with CBD, which is the non-psychoactive part of the cannabis plant that doesn't cause a high feeling but does cause a calm feeling. Probiotic drinks. You've likely heard of kombucha, a fermented tea drink, and it's not going anywhere. People realize the importance of good gut health, and these probiotic drinks can help replenish and build up your gut bacteria. This will improve your digestion and hopefully rid your body of indigestion and other digestive issues. Retro drinks. People love making cocktails from times gone past. Making the old cocktails from the 50s, 60s, 70s and even the 80s is fun and brings about thoughts of times gone by. Some of the most popular drinks making a comeback are sour drinks like the Amaretto Sour, the minty green grasshopper, and the delicious rusty nail with good scotch and Drambuie over ice are all popular comeback retro drinks. Bone broth drink. Many people have come to love the health-giving vitality of staying hydrated with bone broth. You'll see bone broth everywhere. You can buy it already made at most good groceries now, including Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. You can make it yourself too. The health benefits are that it has lots of vitamins and minerals, good amounts of collagen, and iodine for thyroid health. Coffee always. Good coffee will never go out of style. There are so many coffee drinks that people can enjoy. Usually, people drink coffee for the energy it gives from the caffeine, and they also love the taste. You're best off drinking coffee without added sugars, since that's the worst part of the drink. Try making iced and frozen coffee this summer. What drinks do you plan to try this summer? Having a variety of beverages to choose from that are both healthy and delicious is a good idea, and sometimes it's also fun to have something that's not so good for you but that is cold and delicious, such as a good cocktail. Enjoy.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket.